12-hour session. So the 7th time of Grammy award-winning engineer.
He's so cute.
That was insane. He loved it too. He loved it so much.
Whose birthday is it? I think there's, you said cream cheese in here, and there's feta cheese too. How is that?
That's good.
Yeah?
Nope.
Really good. Hey, where's your phone?
It's about to die.
Oh.
It's 10, but that feels so good. Alexander?
Wait. Okay, look up. That was perfect!
I look dumb
I
as
just did
hell.
something right easy.
I don't even know what I look like.
You're gonna...
Oh my god. Having fun.
Was the first six good? They were good?
Damn.
Bro,
Hey, that was a workout, bro.
Corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas hay, yo lo sé.
Your face?
Scarface. Those Coronas. I'm feeling bubbly.
Me too. You look so cute. So handsome. Such with the little palm trees.
You're looking gorgeous as always.
Thank you.
Y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta. Amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quieta. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas. Que los dos contigo podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buena.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god.
Hell
My stomach's already turning by looking at it. Wait, with the shark looks even worse. Ooh, bitch. Put it out. Put it out. Why are they playing Christmas music? They're cute. I like the little Stay Salty one, the little flower. That one's cute. Yes, I want to go. Oh my god, I love that sweater. It says I'm a pink starburst. That's so cute.
Lo que se siente ser Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás. Es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también. Al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero. Al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros. Eres mi bandolero. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que...
Redoing the what's
Good.
good. Oh, there you go.
That's good.
I love that smell.
Same. Reminds me of Mexico.
Reminds me of my dad's sugar. Oh, reminds me of when I'm driving my little Volkswagen.
Your Volkswagen?
Alright, I'm gonna just fucking pour it all. Well, she's
Oh, guys. Are you gonna cry? Don't cry.
Cheers to a successful trip. We got what we wanted and more, bro. Let's do it again, bro. And soon,
It happened really fast.
Oh, wait, hold on.
everything happened very fast. Bro, I was like, bro, I feel like they gonna call us back. So, cheers to that. Cheers to that and more.
Cheers.
I need to start making more beats again.
Beep.
Get it back in.
Your mother.
Paper is probably gonna be empty. Let's hop out.
A musician.
So sad. She's crying. Stop. Like, don't leave me. I'm gonna. Oh, you're welcome. I was like, I had so much fun. I was like, next time. I said that we'll be back. Yeah, man.
See you later.
Not a goodbye.
Ah, nice meeting you.
We'll see you guys later.
I'm seeing you again.
It's like dropping off my children. Bye. Heart. Hey.
We said, but I can't forgive no
That's cute. How much is it? $3.99. What, are you picking this out for me? Okay. Well, I don't really have much brown bags. Hold on, I love this one right here.
I like that.
This is the tote bag we've been looking. $4.99? That's good.
What a steal.
I like it.
Suckers.
Bitch, get out of it. I like this one. Do we like it more than this little bag? Or do we like the little bag too?
I really like it. I like this. It's very different.
Okay. This one's probably more for school, studying kind of bag. Because it has like pen pockets and slots. The brand is 9 West Armani Exchange. Oh yeah, this one's like falling apart. What about this one? It's so tiny. $9.99.
I like it.
Do you like it more than this one?
But that one's really
I like
cute.
this one a lot. This one's good though. But I can't only fit so much in my suitcase.
Not good enough
To
though.
be picky. I like these two the most. This one I like, and it would come in handy, but I feel like I can live without it.
Okay. Looks like you.
It's a trucker one. Oh, it's kind of like all bent, funny. If it wasn't so messed up, I'd say yes to this one.
Ridiculous.
It's too big, but it's cute. We found Camille a little baggie because she told me she likes these, so. Wow. We spent $24.64.
We're right here.
He's like, hey, look at me.
No parking. There's a party going on across the street. The backyard party. Looks like there's karaoke in there.
They're little red chips. Don't get it on your shirt. Green chips.
Tastes like red.
You're joking with me. At first, I was like, what is that? I thought it was like a dead animal. This freaking toilet paper. What do you think of the place we ate at? Rate it.
I give it a solid 7. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Food is great.
Yeah.
Service.
Was alright.
It was service.
I've had worse service. But it was okay.
It was service.
We could have been serviced more. Birria tacos were good, but we've had better.
Yep. The consomme was missing. Like you said, it was like consomme is usually a lot spicier.
Yeah. Well, I usually like to add like lime and like extra hot sauce. And
We
like,
had no lime.
We had no lime, no hot sauce with it. But otherwise, it was good.
Yes.
The beans were, you know, rice average. It's just good. It's fine.
Flautas were out of this world.
Yeah. Okay. So the horchata, bitch.
Horchata. Yeah, they make that.
That was my favorite. And it was only, what did I say, $3.25?
Yeah.
I feel like it was a really good price. If I was like going home on a regular day, I would have gotten an extra one to take home.
I don't think it was Mexican horchata.
It was sweeter.
I think it was like Central American. Every like Hispanic nationality has their own.
What's the difference? Because coming from someone like me, I don't know. I didn't even know that was.
Horchata's sweet,
Yeah.
but a lot of people, like in some, you'll taste more of the cinnamon.
This one was like, I could taste the cinnamon, but it was more milky.
Yeah. I don't know if that was not Mexican horchata. That was not, it was closer to Central American than I've ever tried.
So you tell me I like Central American horchata.
Yeah.
Because that was a good 9.5 out of 10 for me.
Other than that, Music too loud.
Music too loud. The vibes were fun though.
You couldn't hear me half the time.
But yeah, but maybe adjust the music. The lighting was cool.
Right, same on karaoke night.
Yeah, we forgot it's a Saturday too, because it was like dead and then all of a sudden it was popping.
Yeah.
But then it was too popping for us.
Nice blinkers, guys.
No one believes in blinkers here. So yeah, 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
If you're ever in Kissimmee, Florida.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have you kissing me later, boy. Goodbye.
Goddamn Florida.
You wanna drive a tank? Yeah, with all these drivers that use their goddamn blinkers, I'm gonna run everybody over. Okay, it's gotta be quick because my camera's dying anyway. Okay, excuse the change of clothes because we started laundry and then I took everything off and then I forgot that I had to film this haul. So the lighting sucks, but that's fine. So a reminder, I spent $24.64. This was the Kissimmee, Florida Goodwill. Oh, I could throw this shirt in the laundry before I started. I didn't start it yet, just in case. Okay, we got this t-shirt. This is a women's basketball team from Orlando. So that's a souvenir. And this was $3.99. This is a size extra large. So me and you can share it. Yes, we didn't find him anything, unfortunately. I found this little shoulder bag or tote, I don't know what you want to call it. It's simple, it's kind of see-through as you can see. There's a light and it has a black lining inside, magnetic clasp to keep it shut. There's like a little zipper pocket in here and this was $4.99. I like this one a lot, it's really cute. This was exactly what I was looking for. And then I got this shoulder bag, you see? Sort of. Got all these little details on it. It's Guess, and it could be new or not used so much, but it looks in amazing condition. There's a little back zipper pocket right there. And then this metal clasp. And it's a really tiny purse, as you can tell, for nights out. There's a little zipper pocket in there too. And this was $9.99. Anyway, this one's really edgy. I like it. The last thing, I got this for Camille. She was on the trip with us, and I don't think we properly introduced her, but she vlogged. She like grabbed my camera. It was really cool. I liked it. Yeah, it was really funny. But I got this for her. She mentioned to me she likes to buy these little things from like Asian markets and stuff, and it has a little zipper right here, so I thought I can give this to her since she was supposed to come thrifting with me, but we never got around to it. So, but it's all right. Oh, the lighting got really good all of a sudden. You can see the detail of this purse a lot better. Cute. Anyway, so that's the thrift haul, and I'm gonna wash the shirts. We're gonna take a little hot tub, bath, jet jacuzzi, whatever you want to call it right now. Okay, well, I'll go make the drinks while you do that. We got leftover Jack Daniels from our flight in when we first arrived. I'm gonna make 2 Jack and Cokes for us. We were stopped at the gas station and I got a Coke, so I'm gonna make that right now. That's stuck in my head. Damn TikTok. Okay. And add the soda. Probably gonna go to bed, finish laundry, pack, and then head out really early in the morning. We have to wake up at 4:15, 4:30ish, leave no later than 5, and then we have to catch our flights. It's not too far away, so. And yeah, so we'll see you in the morning.
Perfect song to me.
We're home. tired. We have to stay up though.
Let's see.
And it's freezing and I don't have a jacket.